Before watching this video, please check the first part, how to easily set up a ERMO482X3PRO in 4 steps. Prepare a basketball or a soccer ball covered of tinfoil. Set switch 1 to position 4 to activate walk test mode. Roll the ball across the detection area at different locations and check signal on wave test software. The signal should not exceed the pre-alarm threshold, and in no case should exceed the alarm thresholds. Neither you should hear a continuous buzzer signal from the receiver. If the ball is detected, increase the up and low pre-alarm threshold accordingly. Always keep 15 steps between pre-alarm threshold and alarm threshold. For instance, if pre-alarm is set to 15, alarm must be set to 30. If pre-alarm is set to 20, alarm must be set to 35, etc. Monitor threshold should be 2 steps below pre-alarm threshold. Make crawling intrusions test at different locations of the barrier. If crawling is not detected, decrease the pre-alarm threshold accordingly. Make several tests at different locations. In case of difficulties, more details are available on the CHIAS app.